Ever lost your CNIC and need its copy fast? This video will walk you through the steps to possibly find a copy of your CNIC using just your CNIC number first. You'll need your CNIC number handy. Locate the 13-digit number on your physical CNIC card if you don't already know it by heart. Next, you will need a solid internet connection and go over to your preferred internet browser. The process usually begins with searching online. Start by typing keywords to find relevant online platforms. Look for searches such as CNIC Copy Online, CNIC Document Retrieval, or CNIC Lookup. Be specific with the type of document you are searching for, such as CNIC Copy Pakistan. Your search results might include official government portals or third-party services, but be cautious and only use official sources whenever possible. Once you've found a website or platform that seems legitimate, look for a search bar or form. You will usually see spaces to input your CNIC number. Enter your 13-digit CNIC number carefully and double-check for any typos. After entering the number, look for a search, submit, or similar button on the screen. Click it and allow the system to process your request. Based on the platform, you could see different outcomes. Some platforms may directly show a digital copy that you can download or print. Some may display personal information tied to the CNIC. In case of privacy, other platforms could display error messages, no record found. This is most likely due to either your information not being in the digital database, and you will need to manually go and retrieve a new copy if successful. Save or print your CNIC copy. You've just retrieved an important document using just your CNIC number.